بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back to another lesson. This is we're in Surah Al-Baqarah and these are ayahs number 129 and 130. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربنا Ba has a shadda on it. This is Ra. Rabbana. The alif there extends the noon. Rabbana wa. This hamza drops. You go straight to the ba. The ba has a sukoon, no movement, right? So you say Rabbana wab. Why wab? Because the ba slightly is shaken or doubled, just slightly, not full doubled, called qalqala, waba. Rabbana wab'ath. This is ayn and this is tha. Wab'ath. ربنا وابعث فيهم رسولا. But what happens here when you have the lan mixed with the meme here? رسولا منهم. This lan became lam mixing with the meme here. That's why there's a shadda. You see that shadda there? Means the noon meme, the meme is doubled. رسولا منهم يتلو رسولا منهم يتلو. So this يتلو عليهم. ربنا وابعث فيهم رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياتك. So now we have because the alif there extends the hamza. Then you have ya with the alif. آياتك يتلو عليهم آياتك ويعلم. So you, that's a ya, dhamma. يعلي, shut down the lam. يعلمهم, all dhammas, right? ويعلمهم, make sure you double on the lam. يعلمهم الكتاب. You should know by now that the meme with the dhamma, alif lam, this alif drops, it goes straight into the lam. يعلمهم humul, this becomes mul. Why? That drops, goes straight into the lam. So mul, kitaba. Right? Kitaba. Let's move on. Kitaba wal hikmata. Right? Wal hikmata wa yuzakkihim. The kaf is doubled. There's a shadda. Wa yuzakkihim. This jim here means it's a good place to take a breath. Pause. وَالْحِكْمَةَ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ. You can stop, take a breath. إِنَّكَ, noon there has a غُنَّة. إِنَّكَ, which is the slight nasal vibration sound that you hold. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ. This noon is ikhfa because the ta that follows it, you extend that. Anta. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ Alif lam, the alif drops here as a hamza. Antal, tal. Why? Right? Because this drops going straight into the lam there, and that has a sukun. Antal. Hope you're with me here from here. Antal, tal. What do we have? Azizu. Right? Innaka antal azizu. Zu, then you drop this, go straight into the lam. Lam has a sukoon. Again, just as a reminder, whenever you have alif lam, the letter before will always make a L sound in English. Azizul, zul, azizul, hakim. The ya there extends the kaf just slightly. Hakim. Next ayah. وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ. Because the ya comes after the noon, this assimilates, so it becomes وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ. وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ. عَنْ. If you look here, an, the noon has a sukun. What do we call that? Noon sakina, meaning a noon with no movement. It's sukun. Whenever you have a noon sakina followed by a meme, it assimilates, meaning instead of an, you say am. You get ready for the meme. Millati, right? وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ عَنْ مِلَّةِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ عَنْ مِلَّةِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ and then نَفْسَهُ إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ نَفْسَهُ Man, seen after the noon sakina makes it ikhfa. إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ نَفْسَهُ. The jim there means you could take a pause. إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ نَفْسَهُ. Like that. And now we're down there. وَلَقَدْ. Okay, so وَلَقَدْ. Now this dal, d, this is going to drop. It's going to go straight into the sad. وَلَقَدْ اصْطَفَيْنَاهُ. Right, so you with me? This drops. This dal with a kasra, d, assimilates to the sad. اصطفيناه ولقد اصطفيناه في الدنيا. This alif lam drops. You're going to go from here into the dal with the shadda. في الدنيا. وإنه noon shadda, always غنة. وَإِنَّهُ فِي. This alif lam drops, right? The alif certainly drops. This here. This definitely drops. And then this is the L, lam with a sukun. Right? Lam with a sukun. So fil. This is the il's part of it. This drops. Fil. Now this is a hamza with a fatha, but there's also an extended alif. So that's why you say fil akhirati. Okay, so here fil akhirati. Look at that and make sure that the you extend. Fil akhirati lamina salihin. Lamina salihin. This, of course, alif lam drops and you go straight into the sad. If you recall from the last lesson, and I believe the before as well, we said that those are huruf shamsiyya. Huruf shamsiyya. لمن الصالحين وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين. And we stopped at ayah number 130. Now, a lot of requests I've been getting is, can you read the whole ayah over? And I'll read this one here. Okay, so let's go back. I won't read it full speed, but a bit slowed up, but the whole way with no stopping to correct or anything. وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ عَنْ مِلَّةِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ نَفْسَهُ وَلَقَدِ اصْطَفَيْنَاهُ فِي الدُّنْيَا وَإِنَّهُ في الآخرة لمن الصالحين. Hope that helps, inshallah. Barakallahu feekum. Allah bless you all. See you at the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.